Hey, what's up guys? This is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and guys, today we are checking out the 2023 Storyteller Mode LT. This is on a Ford 350 Transit chassis with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost all-wheel drive platform, and this thing is absolutely loaded with everything that you could ever want on the interior, as well as all the features on the outside. With a 2-inch lift from the factory, BF Goodrich KO2 tires, full rock sliders all the way down, big power awning with LED light strips. And guys, they loaded out the interior as well. Y'all come on in and check it out. The interior of this coach is actually loaded out with all the features, but what they did do was they did the Volta power system. So it has 90 watts of solar, expandable up to 600 watts, but it also has a 3200 watt inverter with the intelligent power module system that actually lets you power the air conditioner off of solar and the inverter. On the kitchen of this coach, you do have the big stainless steel sink, an induction stovetop that does tuck away in a cabinet just so you can have all the prep space you need, a 3 cubic foot refrigerator, and then here in the lounging area, you actually have what's called the Groove Lounge that seats 2 comfortably, but it does lay down as a backup bed just in case you need it. Here at the back of this coach, you've got a 56 by 80 queen size bed with all the storage underneath it and an adjustable tie down. You've also got all of your water connection systems so that you can hook up a water hose, siphon it from your freshwater tank, or even take an outdoor shower. This one also has a very impressive 6,500 pound maximum towing capacity with a 7-pin and a 4-pin already installed for you to hook anything up behind it and hit the road. Guys, Storyteller has built one impressive rig with this Mode LT, and now until all the 2023s are sold, they are offering a $12,000 manufacturer's rebate. So y'all have got to come on in, check them out. 1213 Collier Drive here in Conway.